National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Caswell County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bethel, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, the public reported quarter-size hail in Eden. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yanceyville, Milton, Blanche, Leesburg, Hammer, Samora, and Hyco Lake. The following is a summary